Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to enable ghost mode on Snapchat for 3 hours, step by step. Whether you want a little privacy or just don't want people tracking your location for a while, this feature makes it super easy. Let's jump right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. Next, in the top right corner, you'll see a small gear icon. Tap on that to open your settings. Now scroll down through the settings menu until you find the section labeled Privacy Control. Under that section, tap on My Location. This is where Snapchat manages all location-related features. Once you're in the My Location menu, you'll see the option for Ghost Mode. Go ahead and toggle Ghost Mode on. When you do this, Snapchat will give you a few time options. Select the option that says 3 hours.